If you're planning to switch your PC or laptop to the latest version of Microsoft Windows 11, then hold up, because we're here with reasons why you shouldn't. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. People who've switched fully on Windows 11 claim that there are no bugs in general, but there are some small things that could have been better. Although Microsoft has directly sent emails to the Windows 10 users to remind them that they only have 2 months of support and vital security updates left, urging them to upgrade to Windows 11 in the past, the Extended Security Updates program was originally revealed for consumers with a $30 price tag. However, now, according to the new update, if the Windows 10 user syncs their PC with OneDrive, they can use the security program until October 2026. So, the rush of switching has cooled down. The second reason would be the snappy performance. Some users have claimed that File Explorer on Windows 11 is much slower, and the company has admitted this too, and it's currently working to improve it. However, outcomes may vary on different hardwares, and there are folks out there who are firing some considerable flack at Microsoft for Windows 11 being slower in general, not just File Explorer, so that does leave a little room for doubt to creep in. The third reason are bugs. Windows 11 24H2 has been very glitchy and generally weird in many respects. That's generated a rumor that it might have a bug that's breaking SSDs. Still not confirmed, but this has put Windows 11 in a weird position, so we can say that Windows 10 can run more smoothly and is more stable than the latest Windows 11. The last reason we have for you is the risk factor. It just makes sense to stick with Windows 10 and not twist to install Windows 11 for the time being. It won't cost you anything to do so. We already know how Windows 10 performs, and it runs just fine. It's not sluggish at all like Windows 11, and we know it'll be more reliable in terms of what will happen with updates. So why take the risk? This was all on why you should stay on Windows 10 instead of jumping onto the latest version. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.